Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Motorola. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Clean section at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice by hitting on Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Motorola was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!